Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Let's use Telegram to earn some free crypto today. Get started by signing up to any one of these websites. Earn Bonk, Free Bonk, Earn Pepe, Feora, BTC Online, Faucet Network, and Kitty Earner. Let's start with Bonk. Once you log in, your dashboard is on the left as usual. Select Voucher, then select the Get Now link at the top of the page. Once it brings you to Telegram, allow the message box to open on your screen. Now scroll down to the most recent message. Copy the code in the message box. Now go back to Earn Bonk and enter the code in the voucher section. Solve the CAPTCHA and claim your coins. Fantastic. As you can see, a bunch of Bonk has been added to your account. Now go to Free Bonk and Earn Pepe and repeat the same process. On the Free Bonk website, just select Coupon on your dashboard. Click the Telegram link at the top of the page. Once again, allow the Telegram message box to pop up. Now select the most recent message and copy the coupon code in the message box. Go back to Free Bonk and paste the code into the coupon box. Solve the CAPTCHA and claim your coins. Good job. Now go to Earn Pepe and select coupon code on your dashboard on the left-hand side. Click on Get Coupon and again allow Telegram to open the message box. Copy the coupon code from the most recent message. Now go back and enter the code in the coupon section. Good job, you've earned hundreds of Pepe instantly. All the sites are the same. Claim from Feora and Kitty Earner the same way. That's how easy it is to earn free crypto from Telegram coupons. Don't forget your Baby Doge coupons from Faucet Network as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.